properties of addition of integer. We are going to see the properties of addition of integers which is required during the solution of problems based on these integers. We know that there is positive as well as negative integer, so they carry some properties, तो वो हमको यहाँ पे देखना है. ओके, तो फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी है, ओके, इट इज अ क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, closure property, or it is a first property. What is this property? So when you are having a and b integer, a और b क्या है यहाँ पे integer, okay, and b are integers. So if you will get a plus b is equal to integer, a plus b gives an integer, then this is the closure property. Okay, so this is the closure property. For example, if you're having 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4, yes, we know that it is a 9, or let us say it is a 5 plus minus 4, 5 plus minus 4, that is a addition with negative number, so simply take a difference, so it is a 1 and number from the big, so it is a positive 1. If you are having minus 5 plus in bracket minus 5, okay, so this is again addition of two number, that is a negative numbers, negative integers. So here just simply add them and write common sign, so you will get here 4 plus 5 9, the sign is minus is common, therefore 9. So when you add these two integer, you will get a integers. So this is the closure property. Okay, so next property, second property is commutative property. Okay, the commutative means is commute and a moving, we can change their place. Okay, so if you having again a and b are your integers, so a plus b can be written as a b plus a, and this must be equal. If it is equal, then ये जो property belong करेगा, that is a commutative property. For example, okay, हम solve करेंगे 8 plus minus 4 is equal to, now 8 plus minus 4, that is a simply you have to take subtraction, because one is a positive number, one is a negative number. So 8 minus 4, yes, it is a 4. Okay, so this is first, and if you take this minus 4 and plus 8, okay, we are changing the places, that is a minus 4 minus 8. Okay, again the negative number plus positive number, you have to take subtraction, therefore you will get 8 minus 4 4, and number 8 is bigger, therefore sign of 8. So this 4 is equal to 4, that is the right hand side is equal to left hand side, therefore 8 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 4 plus 8. Okay, and that's belongs to the commutative property. So we can change the places 8 minus 4 or minus 8 minus 4 8 with respect to their positions. Okay, and therefore this property is called as a commutative property. Okay, one more example. Okay, you're having minus 3 plus 7, you will get, yes, so simply take difference, 7 minus 3, it is a 4, and here 7, we can write this, or we can write 7 plus here minus 3, because we are in addition. So 7 plus negative minus 3 integer, again you will get the same answer, 7 minus 3, so 4, therefore we can write minus 3 plus 7 is equal to 7 plus in bracket minus 3. So this is follow the commutative property. Okay, you can solve this. Here minus 15 plus in bracket minus 23, okay, is equal to, is it minus 23 plus minus 15? Okay, solve this right hand side and left hand side. Okay, so we'll get here these two are negative number and you are going to add them. Okay, so the rule is that if there is a addition of same sign numbers, just simply add and give the common number, common sign. Okay, just simply add करना है 5 plus 3 8, 2 plus 1 3, and the number is negative, therefore minus 38. Okay, so here again same 2 plus 5, it is 2 plus 3 plus 5, it is a 8, and 2 plus 1 3, so minus 38 is equal to minus 38, means these two follows the commutative property. Okay, next property. Okay, after commutative property, because addition is commutative property, we are on associative property. Okay, associative property means it is association. Okay, so here if you're having three integers a, b and c integer, and if you're having a plus in bracket b plus c, okay, a plus bracket given and bracket b plus c, is it equal to a plus b plus c? Okay, like this. What we do कि ब्रैकेट जो है हमने चेंज किया है, b प्लस c को ब्रैकेट था, यहाँ पे a प्लस b को ब्रैकेट है. इफ दिस टू आर इक्वल, अगर ये आपको इक्वल मिलता है, देन दिस एडिशन इज एसोसिएटिव, फॉलोज एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी. ये एडिशन क्या करेगा? एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी फॉलो करेगा. ओके, सो इफ यू विल गेट दिस a plus bracket b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c, then it is associative property. आप आपके एग्जाम्पल में ये चेंज कर सकते हैं. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू हैविंग a is equal to 5, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 9. Okay, let us solve first taking positive number. So a is 5 plus in bracket b is 3 plus 9 is so 5 plus 3 plus 9 12, yes, and is equal to 17. Okay, here it is a plus b c, so a is a 5 plus 3 bracket plus c is a 9, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 9, so it is a 17, so 17 is equal to 17. So this is following the property, so we can say addition is following the associative property. Okay, so you can change the bracket either for b plus c or a plus b, depend on situation for solving the example. Okay, now we are taking the for negative numbers also. Okay, so a, let us say it is a -4, b let us took as a 2, and c is any number 5. Okay, any 5. So here a is a -4 plus in bracket b is 2 plus 5. Okay, solve this first. So -4 plus 2 plus 5, yes, it is a 7, is equal to 7 minus 4. Okay, this is a negative integer, positive integer, take a difference, so it is a 3 and it is a positive because 7 is greater than -4. Okay, let us solve its right hand side. Okay, so a is your -4 bracket -2, yes, and plus c is a 5, so this is a bracket. Okay, we can take a, okay, now solve this -4 plus 2. So again is the subtraction, negative integer plus positive integer subtraction. So -4 minus 2, that is simply subtract 4 minus 2, 2, but -4 is here having magnitude, so this is -4 plus 5, so you will getting again 3, so 3 is equal to 3, so this is follow the associative property. Okay, the next property, the properties of addition of integer, is existence of additive identity. For example, let us consider 4 plus 0. Okay, 4 plus 0, again anything added to 0 is remains same, or 0 added to anything remains same. It is a 4. Okay, so 9 plus 0, again it is 9, minus 8 plus 0, yes, it is remain minus 8. You are nothing added to that number, so it is a minus 8. Okay, so if you add minus 5 plus 0, again minus 5, 0 minus 6, anything. Okay, sorry, we are in addition, so here 0 plus in bracket minus 6. Okay, we are in addition properties, so here, so 0 plus negative integer, again it is remain minus 6. Okay, 0 plus minus 10, yes, anything added to 0 itself identity same, so is equal to minus 10. Okay, so here when 0 is added to any integer, we get the same integer, identical integer, and therefore 0 is an additive identity, so you can add 0 here, the integer remains same. So we can write here a plus 0 is equal to a, which is nothing but 0 plus a. Okay, same thing here, a plus 0 is a integer, or 0 plus a integer. So a is either positive number or negative integer here. Okay, so this is existence of additive identity. Okay, properties of addition of integer, in that existence of additive inverse. Okay, so when we are going to add same number but it is its inverse, तो इसका आंसर क्या आता है वो प्रॉपर्टी हम देखेंगे. ओके, लेट अस से a is integer, okay, and a plus its inverse, that is a, but inverse को हम लिखते हैं माइनस साइन. ओके, सो a plus माइनस a इज इक्वल टू a, जितना है उतने में से a माइनस, तो आपको मिलता है 0. यस, ओके, और इज इक्वल टू, दैट इज द फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी हमने देखा था, so it is a minus a plus a. Okay, in this form, so this is existence of additive inverse. For example, okay, if you are having a is equal to 8, okay, so 8, that is first a plus minus a, that is 8 plus in bracket inverse its minus 8 is equal to 0. Yes, 0, or we can write at minus 8 plus 8. Okay, so minus s integer plus integer, so you have to subtract it and give the number. So here it is given 0. Okay, so 0, so both are side, that is right hand side is equal to left hand side, and we can say it is the existence of additive inverse. Okay, so anything added to its inverse number, that will be a 0, you will get 0, but a is must be a non-zero number, yes. Okay, now after addition integers property, we'll move to properties of subtraction of integers. Okay, so while doing the subtraction, which properties follow that subtraction? Okay, तो यहाँ पे similar to addition, first property जो है it is a closure property. Yes, closure property, that is you having this a and b integers, so when you do the subtraction, a minus b is equal to integer. Okay, अगर हमको a minus b करने के बाद integer मिलता है, then we call this follows the closure property. Yes, so here b minus a, if we also giving integer, then it is also following the closure property. Okay, so here a and b are both are integer, and a minus gives integer or b minus a gives integer, then it is said to be a following closure property. Okay, for example, आपके पास क्या है 8 है and another integer is let us say minus this one. So here therefore subtraction हम लेंगे a minus b, that is 8 minus in bracket minus 11. Okay, एंड सॉल्व करेंगे तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए माइनस माइनस प्लस होता है, जो हमने पहले वीडियो में देखा था, और इट इज नथिंग बट इनवर्स एडिशन, ओके, द एडिशन ऑफ इट्स इनवर्स नंबर, ओके। तो अगर यहाँ पे प्लस करता हूँ तो इसका हम माइनस का जो इंटीजर है प्लस इंटीजर लेना पड़ेगा, और सिंपली यू कैन माइनस माइनस यहाँ पे प्लस होता है, इज इक्वल टू यू विल गेट 8 11 plus 8 19, okay, so you will get the integer, so a minus b you will get integer, therefore it is follow closure property. Similarly, if you take b minus a, okay, b minus a, you will get the integer, so minus 11 and this is also minus 8, okay. b minus a, सो हियर माइनस 11 माइनस 8 करना है, ओके। तो ये सिचुएशन में क्या करेंगे कि माइनस 11 में से आपको 8 माइनस करना है, कम करना है, ओके। तो हम देखेंगे तो आंसर क्या आता है कि ये जो अगर ऐसा सिचुएशन है कि निगेटिव इंटीजर से आपको माइनस करना है कुछ, तो ये होता है निगेटिव ही आएगा और ये 19 की तरफ जाएगा। क्यों? तो फॉर यहाँ पे सो दिस इज 0 -1 -2 -3, ओके। और हम अगर उसमें से माइनस करते हैं तो हम ये माइनस की तरफ जा रहे हैं, तो -8 मतलब आप इस तरफ जाएंगे, सो -11 -8 इज -19, ओके। तो यहाँ कुछ बच्चे क्या गड़बड़ करते हैं कि ये माइनस है और उसमें से -8 करना है, मतलब -8 में से 8 डिफरेंस लेना है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होगा। यहाँ पे -11 -8 मतलब दोनों का एडिशन होगा और ये नंबर माइनस में चला जाएगा, ओके। या दूसरे वे से कि -11 है तो दिस सब्सट्रैक्शन इज नथिंग बट रिवर्स इनवर्स एडिशन, ओके। प्लस लिखा तो ये नंबर 8 है तो उसका इनवर्स क्या आएगा -8, ओके। अब एडिशन करो, एडिशन ऑफ दिस टू नंबर, ओके, तो दिस इज बिकम -19, ओके। तो यहाँ पे केयरफुली करना है, अगर -11 -8 है तो ये दोनों का एडिशन करके माइनस नंबर ही लिखना है। Commutative property of subtraction, let us say you are having two integer a and b, so a is equal to, let us say we are having 8, b is equal to having 5, okay. You can take any number, okay. So let us see a minus b, okay, subtraction a minus b. So a is 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5 you will get 3, yes, correct, 3. Now b minus a, okay, b minus a, so b is what, 8, oh sorry, b is 5 minus 8, so lower number to higher number minus, so that is a simply subtract it and take a sign of that bigger number. So here you will get the 8 minus 3, sorry, 8 minus 5 is a 3 and sign is minus because this 8 is you are subtracting, okay. So here we can say a minus b, b minus a is equal to, or it is not equal, it is not equal, okay. So if you do a minus b, that is here 3 is not equal b minus a, you will get a -3 here. So this subtraction is not commutative, or this subtraction is not following the commutative property. So you cannot change this like a minus b, okay, after commutative property, because subtraction is not following this commutative property. Associative property, so it is having a b and c integer, ये आपके पास 3 इंटीजर है, ओके। और एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी में हमने देखा था कि a प्लस b प्लस c ब्रैकेट वाला, ओके, दैट आर पॉजिटिव, a प्लस b प्लस c इज इक्वल टू a प्लस b प्लस c, so that addition is following the this associative property. Now for subtraction, okay, for subtraction, that is a minus b minus c, okay, and its reverse, a minus b minus c. Okay, you are changing the bracket here. That is called as a associative property. If both are equal, then it is a associative. If it is not equal, it is not associative property. Okay, let us say we're having a is equal to 4, b is equal to 6, c is equal to 3. Okay, anything you can take, either it is a positive number, negative number, or a negative integer. Okay, so a, you will get here a 4 minus in bracket 6 minus 3. Okay, so solve it. 4 minus 6 minus 3, it is simply 6 minus 3. Yes, it is 3. So you will get 4 minus 3, that is a 1. So you will get answer 1 here. Yes, okay. Now a minus b minus c. So here a कितना है हमारा 4, 4 minus b कितना है 6 और minus 3 करना है. Okay, solve this bracket first. So 4 minus 6, that is a smaller to greater number minus करना है. Simply take difference and give the sign of bigger here. So here it is a 4 minus 6 is a 2 minus 2. Okay, and minus here 3, you will get minus 2 minus 3. तो आपको simply addition करना है. That is a 5 minus वाला. Okay, you cannot subtract that plus 3. So it is a minus 2 and minus 3. So you will get a minus 5. So here 1 is not equal to 5. So this is not equal to. Okay, that means subtraction not follow the associative property. Okay, so subtraction of integer is not associative. So you cannot change this a minus bracket b minus c to a minus b bracket minus c. Okay, simply as it is solve it. Okay, you cannot change into associative or is previously commutative property of for the subtraction. Okay, take care for subtractions of integers.